At Datacoves, we love the flexibility that we get with a full Visual Studio Code environment, but one feature that was missing was the ability to preview a model's results. So we improved the dbt power users extension, and now you can preview the results in line. So I can click on here, and now we will see the query compiling the dbt model and sending this query to, in my case, Snowflake. We can change the default query limit. So I can change this to, let's say, 10 rows, and I can hit Command Enter, and now we should see here pretty quickly that we will get 10 rows. So there's our 10 rows, but not only can you do it this way, you can actually select another part of the query, like if you have a CTE in my case, and I want to see 6 rows of this, so I can highlight this, hit my Command Enter, and I should get my 6 rows of just that top part. But if you wanted to do more, so I have a limit that we saw of 10 rows, I believe we had here. So there's 10 rows, but I want to see more than 10. So I can actually change this and put 100, and this will override that limit. There's my 100 rows. But what if you wanted to see what SQL actually got dispatched to Snowflake? Here it is. Here's a compiled SQL. So this is how you can run preview in Datacoves with Visual Studio Code.